What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, I have some updates about Alpha Capital. Okay, as you can see right here, we have a form to fill in. Okay, but before I go into this form, let's go over to the Telegram group and let's see what he says. So he posted his message yesterday at 20:30. Okay, and let's see what he says. For anyone that remains in the project or exit but still wants to follow the progress, we prepare the following form. Okay, so that's the form right here. Okay, that you will have to fill in during the next 7 days since this message. Okay, this is to prove your own the address you deposit with. Even if you miss this deadline, it doesn't mean that you won't receive a refund. Okay, we just want to get everything up and running again fast as possible, and it doesn't make sense to wait for a few people that are not checking the group frequently at the expense of hundreds that have already done what we asked. Okay, so yeah, we already know that there are some people that are not following up the Telegram group, so they are behind in regards to sending message to the admin to request a refund and etc. Okay, so we will create a new private group where we will open the chat and add everyone that completed the form there. Okay, so you have to complete this form in order to be added to the new group chat and possibly be added to the V2 version of the Alpha Capital. Okay, this group will be kept for general updates. Hopefully by Monday we will restart the trading operation. We will announce when we do so. Okay, and if this is the case, we can start distributing profits to the remaining users on a weekly basis or bi-weekly. Okay, depending on how you prefer, every Monday or every 2 Mondays. Okay, very important. If anyone from our team DMs you, first, it's a scam. Okay, you should not click any links. Everything will be announced on this group for security reasons. Very important statement right here. A lot of people been receiving DMs from, scammers pretending to be Alpha Capital teams. And yeah, guys, if you have any issues, just come over here to the Alpha Capital Telegram group. Okay, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. So if you want to contact the admin, click on here. So this is the admin. So you click on here, send message, and you'll send him a private message. So this guy, he will never send you a private message. Okay, and I have received multiple DMs asking why the signing is done on Etherscan when you use BSC or Polygon for Polygon. Okay, the reason is because the address is still the same no matter the chain, and signing doesn't cost gas, so it is the same thing. Okay, if the process is too complicated for you, DM for assistance, but please only do so if it's really needed. I'm still drawing in messages. Probably wants to say drowning, I don't know, in messages, and want to finish the backlog before opening up the new chat. Okay, thank you for your understanding. So these are the news in regards to Alpha Capital. Okay, so let's go over to the form. Okay, by the way, guys, so this form, in order to fill this form, when you click over here, it will take you to this page on Etherscan, and as you can see, it's on Ethereum network. So you have to flick your network to Ethereum mainnet. Okay, and you got the step-by-step how to do that. So first you click on the link, it will take you to this page. Okay, then you click sign message on top of the blue bar, so right here. Okay, so you click over here and you confirm. You will connect your MetaMask and it will take you to this page right there. Okay, next one, connect your wallet that you use to deposit funds into Alpha Capital. Okay, so hopefully it will be this wallet right here, which is the one that I just copied. All right, just check. Yeah, that's the one. By the way, guys, you have to enter your Telegram username. Okay, so you just go over to the TG and TG settings, and you'll find the username there. Just copy, come over here and paste it, okay? And step number 4, for the message, please enter your Telegram username, okay? I'm gonna copy this one, and for the message, so you paste your wallet right there, and for the message you will enter your Telegram username right there. Let's have a look and click sign, confirming your wallet, and do not click publish, okay? Alright, let's go sign. Let's confirm in our wallet. Need to log in on my ledger. Okay, let's sign. Let's just wait for the MetaMask to load up. Okay, so here's the MetaMask. So you're signing in, message, and we're gonna press sign. Okay, so I'm gonna confirm over here on my ledger. So just confirm that, and okay, so message has been successfully signed. Okay, so you may publish the signed message on Etherscan by clicking publish. Okay, but button below to continue. The signed message will then be accessible via a public URL. So now this is signed. Okay, so here's my wallet, here's my message, and here's the signature. Here's the signature hash. Okay, all you got to do now is copy the signature hash. So you copy that, so it's copied. Okay, so you come over here, and like I said to you, and do not click publish. Okay, do not click publish. Click sign, confirming your wallet. Do not click publish. So this means do not click publish. Okay, don't click over here. Just hit close. Right? That's what it says. Okay, copy the signature hash and paste it below. So we're gonna paste it right here. Boom. Okay, so that's the signature hash. Okay, 0x2. Yes, that's correct. Okay, and click close, not publish for your own privacy on Etherscan, and submit this form. Okay, so I've copied the hash, I've closed it. Now I come over here to the form, I hit submit, and boom. Okay, your response has been recorded. That simple, guys. It is that simple. It only takes a few minutes, right? So those are the steps that you have to do in regards to verify your wallet and verify that you are the owner of the wallet. Okay, and in regards to refunds, I already received my refunds, but I know some people have not received their refunds. If you have not received your refunds, I'm going to leave the Alpha Capital link. So I'm going to leave the Alpha Capital link, and I'm going to leave the link for this guy as well, so you can reach him out and request your refund if you want to. Okay, so those are the updates in regards to Alpha Capital. As soon as they release more information about moving forwards, I will then again come over here and give you an update. Okay, so all the links going to be down in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.